install. Welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, I'm actually meeting up with some friends to go help put a front lip on Leno's Hyundai Genesis. Here's today's project. Front lip on the Genesis.
Oh, so I would do like this. So I would do 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3.
Flamingo Man has painted this lip and he's also sharpening the entry holes.
How old is she?
Got some pretty good work here.
Alex, can you hold on this? I want to see what line.
Ooh, that was quick. How much did this eBay lip cost?
$100.
$100? Not bad.
Give or take. You gotta save up for now. Unemployment, like. Dude, that's a good dude.
All the holes are in. We're about to test fit it.
Tell me when you're good over there.
Good, give or take.
Okay. So I'm gonna have to pull it a little. Is that still okay?
Yeah.
All right, Alex, can you hold it over here?
Just
This is the perfect dream team.
I'm gonna mark the holes.
okay.
Alright, let's see how he does this shit.
Okay. Wait, are we marking on silver or black?
It's gonna be on silver, it looks like.
Yeah, this is a pretty good match.
You can take it down. See how it looks. Good. And then just 3, right? One more over here. I put it.
Oh, right here,
somewhere.
Yeah, it's right here.
Good shit.
You can't go back after this. Come on.
Yes, you can.
Oh,
actually,
you can.
it's like 4 bolts.
All right, let's see. Keep it right there. Yes, perfect. Let me just do a test.
This is not the proper way to put in a lip. And as you can see right here, when the lip is this side. Yeah, so
Holy
that's
crap.
why you don't use self-tappers. So don't do that. That's not the right way. Don't do that.
Alright, boys, let's get this on.
We gotta realign it though.
Yeah, we gotta realign it.
Hold on. Let's see.
Do I just hold it? So I'm not really.
Yeah, that's all you.
Okay.
I mean, hurry up.
That's a lot, bro.
Jeez.
It's fine.
You trying to make sure it doesn't run away?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna have to lay down.
Sorry, flamingo shirt. I'll wash you. I'll wash you tomorrow. We'll have to pull it out. Well, let's do this side. It's easier.
Well, it's nighttime, but the lip is finally on.
It's not that.
It looks pretty good. Good job, Francis.
Thanks, man.
Let's get that cold start action going. Hold on.
Looks good, Leno. You're good. Yeah. You're good. Keep going.
Oh,
No, you're good. You're good. The lip's on. The bumper's off. The lip is still on, so it's good. Oh, bro, that's beautiful. The lip stayed on.
The lip stayed on, but the
Oh,
front bumper unhinged.
No. Oh no.
We had a picture-perfect install. This guy's a magician.
Hold on.
I'm not driving the car anymore. I'm gonna let it sit.
Overall,
That's not bad. You know what? You can only tell when you're close to it.
Alright, well, it looks like it's fixed. On a more positive note, I mean, it looks really good with the love fog lights.
Yeah.
So the front lip install went really well. There was one hiccup where the bumper actually came off and a little bit of paint came off, but other than that, it went really smooth thanks to Francis, Alex, and everyone that was helping out. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.